The next one. How do you add cloud storage? Okay, you would come to the Create Object Storage, select the cloud storage that you are going to add, say Azure Blob storage. Okay, so cloud storage name, you would enter your Azure account information, click submit, and now you would have your cloud storage on Azure. So this system can be configured to use cloud storage as well as local storage. Okay. This gives you multiple areas where you can back up to. You want to back up locally, you want to back up to the cloud. Okay, any questions on resources?
No, so basically you can go to the cloud and get a storage account in the cloud, being Hot Blob, Cool Blob, or any kind of other storage you have, and then kind of connect it to local storage and create a hybrid system. So that cloud storage would represent itself as a local disk or local storage, so you can do anything almost that you do with local storage, you can do with the cloud storage. You can copy to it, write to it, make it as part of your workload. So you can treat it as a local storage to your system, right?
Right.
Okay.
Yes.
That sounds good.